We admit it, it's pretty ironic that we're talking about gut health on National Cheeseburger Day, but it's an important topic, especially for our pets, too.
Yeah, how about that? About your pets. Veterinarian Dr. Mike Hutchinson is here from Animal General in Cranberry with some of the questions and topics he gets asked about most often this time of year. And number one on the list is microbiomes.
The microbiome, our gut health. And
Yeah.
so
Okay.
now they have disciplines, even on the human side, where you can go to medical school and they have the whole study course on the microbiome. So we always heard the adage, you know, the ankle bone's connected to the shin bone's connected to the knee bone. Well, guess what? If your gut's healthy, you feel better. All your
Right.
neurotransmitters in your brain make you feel good. I love talking about this because I've kind of sensed this since I was a veterinarian, that if we get the gut in good order, the dogs and cats usually do fantastic. So it's very important. And how do you get a good microbiome? How do you get the good bacteria and the good viruses, all the things that help digest and add nutrients and things in our diet? And the way to do that is to feed a high quality diet, and there's not one that fits all. There's no
Right.
one size that fits all. But the other way is to add probiotics occasionally. I do it 2 weeks out of every 3 months. Even if they have normal stools, if you add probiotics to their food, just sprinkle it on. One of them that I use is called Fortiflora. There's another one called Proviable that's been studied and it works really well. And it fills up their gut with good bacteria. And if they don't need it, well, then it goes out in the grass.
Is this the same thing? I mean, we could talk about some supplements, too, other ones that you recommend, but what about using something as simple as like a Greek yogurt?
Yeah, so everybody asked me that. What about the human, probiotics for animals? Well, now they've studied them. Back in the 90s, late 80s, we used to use the human probiotics that were in yogurt and things, acidophilus and some of the bifidobacterium. Now they know exactly what bacteria are best for cats and dogs. And so it's better to go ahead and use one of those that has actually been studied and produced for those animals.
Oh, that's interesting.
The other ones won't hurt. They
Yeah.
won't hurt. And if that's all you had, that's fine. But it's still better to give them the ones that are going to fill them with the right populations to make them feel good. And when you talk about supplements, good diet's one thing. Commercial food's okay. 98% of us feed them as long as they have that AFCO certification on it, which is the American Association of Feed Control Officials. They stamp it to say, yep, this food is nutritionally complete. But they bake on the flavor at the end, and it can kill some of the omega-3 fatty acids, some of the good bacteria, some of the digestive enzymes. So I like to add those to the diets. Digestive enzymes are a very safe thing. It's a food. You can sprinkle it on. It helps them to assimilate nutrients better. When they get older, it's wonderful. If dogs start having trouble, or if they have a lot of gas, you sprinkle on digestive enzymes. People have heard of Beano. That's a digestive enzyme when people have trouble with beans. Same
So
thing with
you
those.
can essentially give your dog Beano.
Yes, you
So
can.
good.
And so the digestive enzymes are Beano Plus. They have things that help digest protein, fats, carbohydrates, and some of the fiber, cellulose, and things like that.
Kevin burps all the time. We call him Sir Burps a lot.
What is that about?
Digestive enzyme. So
Okay,
somebody's
really?
getting a stomach and he's producing gas. And what produces gas in a dog's gut, or to make them burp, or the other, would be the carbohydrates usually. So
Okay.
amylase is the enzyme and digestive enzymes that help break that down so he would burp less and he'd have less gas, which is an easy fix, which I consider. You don't have to change the diet first. I always say try the digestive enzymes, add probiotics now and then omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil are healthy for the skin, the brain, the heart, the digestive tract, the joints. It's just good for them, and it helps decrease the shedding, so it's a big bonus.
All right,
Easy things.
Very quickly, what is the ideal diet?
So the ideal diet for an individual, because they are individuals, are the ones where they're producing, maybe they're going to the bathroom twice a day and they're formed. That would be ideal. Their coat looks good. They're not shedding. Remember, it's got to have certification on the bag. There's no one diet that would be best for your dog or your cat and my cat. Maybe the same diet's good, but not always. So we want to make sure it's individual. I like tailoring it to that individual. So go for the high quality foods if you can afford them, and do your best. And if they're having trouble with stool, speak to your veterinarian, and certainly they can adjust those diets to make it better for the individual. And some animals have sensitivities that we have to adjust for that too. I have to feed one of my dogs a prescription diet that has more fiber in it so he doesn't have soft stools all the time. And it's just, the luck of the draw, but it's easy to fix.
It's easy to fix. Good information. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I've been blaming it on Frankie this whole time. Now I know
Poor
better.
Frankie.
Just the
All right.
carbs.
We want to thank Dr. Mike Hutchinson of Animal General in Cranberry, a regular contributor here on PTL. Also look for him on KDKA Radio and on his podcast.